Hello, I am Jermal Chandler with Cboe Global Markets, and this is Volatility 411 for Thursday, May 21st. Optimism and uncertainty. They really seem to be going head to head these days for the market and the economy. We had a lot of optimism over the last couple of days with regard to reopenings and the lifting of shelter in place in all 50 states. At the end of the day yesterday, we had market at 10-week highs on that optimism. Not even the Fed meeting minutes from the April 28th, 29 meeting could rattle investors. They were somewhat of a negative tone. Of course, they were from 3 weeks ago, which is a somewhat different market than we have right now and a different economy. Going forward, though, the U.S. and China trade relations are starting to heat up once again. That trade war is starting to intensify. There's been some rhetoric back and forth. We also know that the U.S. has been critical of how China has handled their numbers with regard to the coronavirus. Then this morning, we had initial jobless claims where 2.4 million people filed for unemployment insurance benefits. That number has sort of come down over the last 5 weeks incrementally, but overall the 9-week total is 40 million people that are filing for initial jobless claims. So while it seemed like 3,000 on the S&P 500 was almost a slam dunk, we did see the index drop almost 1% today to around 2930. VIX futures did perk up some. May expired yesterday. We have the front month June futures that are trading 30.5 right now. That VIX futures curve is flat across the front. Of course, October still continues to stand out. Overall, though, it's relatively quiet in the market as we head towards Memorial Day weekend. What I am looking at going forward is the vaccine merry-go-round that seems to still be occurring. AstraZeneca received $1 billion from the U.S. government for their coronavirus vaccine efforts. You also have Gilead that's in play with their remdesivir, and then you have Moderna as well. There's a lot of other companies scattered in there among that. And then finally, NVIDIA has earnings tonight into the close. Big chip player, so it'll be interesting to see how their earnings play out. So with that, that's it for Volatility 411. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.